Hello everyone! I just want to show you the rice that I cooked earlier. It has flavor in it. And I used the sticky rice plus the other ingredients. I'm sorry I was not able to create the entire video. But don't worry, I will create another one so that I will be able to share to all of you the ingredients and everything how I did this. It looks so delicious. So this is the first cup. I'm going to prepare 3 cups for my niece, for myself, and for my staff. I'm excited to try it. It looks good. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.